Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Queen's Another One Bites the Dust on electric bass guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G, but in order to play along with the original recording, I had to tune the guitar slightly sharp. So if you decide to play along with the original, you'll have to do the same thing. We're going to start with the intro part of the song that goes this way. Here's how we're going to play it. We're going to start at the 5th fret on the E string, 3rd fret, open, open, open. Open, 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 3, and when we go to 3 here, the G, we're going to bend it down like this. Back to open, and then the 5. So that's. We're going to do that twice. After that, and throughout most of the song, we'll play this. The next thing that we're going to have to play is going to sound like this. We'll play that part by going to fret 3 on the A string 3 times, fret 4, fret 5, fret 5 on the D string, and then fret 3 on the E string. We'll do that again, and then we'll go back to G again. We'll start that again, and then we'll go to the open A string and walk it up. Then we'll go to the 3rd fret, the G note, and bend it, and then open. So once again, the next thing we'll have to learn will sound like this. So we started here at F sharp, the 2nd fret on the E string. Then we're going to start at the B note, 2nd fret on the A string, walk it down. And that was open 3 times. Back to the 2nd fret on the E string. Then we'll go to the G note, 3rd fret, bend it, and then open. So again, that's. And believe it or not, those are all the parts that we'll have to learn to play in order to play Another One Bites the Dust by Queen on electric bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.